Let's take up naming of branch chain alkanes. We encounter number of branch chain alkanes. The rules for naming are given below. So first of all, the longest carbon chain in the molecule is identified. This is the first example. Here longest chain contains 9 carbon atoms. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. Now, this is the longest chain and this is not the longest chain. Why this is not the longest chain? Because this chain consists of 8 carbon atoms, whereas this chain consists of 9 carbon atoms. So the first one is the correct chain, second one is wrong. Numbering is done in such a way that the branch chain carbon atoms gets the lowest possible number. In first case, the branch chain carbon are getting second and sixth number. If we start counting from this side, branch chain carbon will get number 4 and 8. So first one is the correct numbering, second one is the wrong numbering. Thus the following compounds are named as. Here this is the longest chain possible. We count the carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On second carbon there is methyl group. On fourth carbon there is methyl group. Both are methyl group, so we write dimethyl. Where are they? Second and fourth, so we write 2, 4 and then hyphen. 2, 4 dimethyl. Total carbon atom in the longest chain is 5, so we call it pentane. This is another example where longest chain contains 5 carbon atom, first carbon, second, third, fourth, 5. With the second carbon, 2 methyl groups are attached, and with the 4 carbon, another methyl group is attached. Total there are 3 methyl groups, so we write trimethyl. And they are attached to second, 2 are attached to second and 1 is attached to fourth. So we write 2, 2, 4. Trimethyl. Pentane. Why pentane? Because total carbon atom in the longest chain are 5, so we call it pentane. Another example we are taking, here we have longest chain contains 7 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now with the third carbon, ethyl group is attached. CH2CH3 is called ethyl group. With the fourth carbon, there are 2 methyl group attached. So first we write 3 ethyl. Why? Because ethyl group is attached at third carbon. Then we write 4, 4 dimethyl. Because with the fourth carbon, there are 2 methyl groups attached. Dimethyl heptane. Why do we write heptane? Because longest chain contains 7 carbon atoms. This is the way of naming these branch chain hydrocarbons. The names of alkyl groups attached as a branch are then prefixed to the name of parent alkane, and the position of substituent is indicated by appropriate numbers. If different alkyl groups are present, they are listed in alphabetical order. If two or more identical substituents are present, then the numbers are separated by the commas, and the names of identical substituents are not repeated. Instead, prefix such as di for 2, tri for 3, tetra for 4, penta for 5, hexa for 6, etc. are used. While writing the name of the substituent in alphabetical order, these prefixes, however, are not considered. If the two substituents are found in equivalent position, then the lower number is given to the one coming first in the alphabetical listing. For example, in this compound, methyl group and ethyl group are equidistant. What do you mean by that? If we start counting from this side, ethyl will get number 3. If we start counting from this side, methyl will get number 3. We have to start counting from this side because we have to prefer the alkyl group alphabetically. So ethyl group is preferred means counting will start only from this side. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now with the third carbon atom, ethyl group is attached, so we write 3 ethyl. With 6 carbon, methyl group is attached, we write 6 methyl. Total carbon atom are 8, we call it octane. So this compound is 3 ethyl, 6 methyl octane, and not 6 ethyl, 3 methyl octane. So remember, we prefer alkyl groups alphabetically if they are equidistant. And if they are not equidistant, then lowest sum rule has to be followed. That is, the position of both the alkyl groups should be lowest. Next, the branch chain alkyl groups can be named by the following procedures. However, the carbon atom of the branch that attaches to the root alkane is numbered 1 as exemplified below. Here this is first, second, third, fourth. So we call it 1,3-dimethyl butyl. This whole is butyl, and with the first carbon atom methyl group is attached, and with the third carbon atom methyl group is attached. So we call it 1,3-dimethyl butyl, which is the side branch chain. While writing the trivial name or common name of the substituent in alphabetical order, the prefix iso and neo are considered to be part of the fundamental name of alkyl groups. The prefix secondary and tertiary are not considered to be the part of the fundamental name. The use of iso and related common prefixes for naming alkyl group is also allowed by the IUPAC nomenclature as long as these are not further substituted. In multi-substituted compound, the following rules may be remembered. If there happens to be two chains of equal size, then the chain is to be selected which contains more number of side chains. And after selection of the chain, the numbering is done from the end closer to the substituent. Let's take up example. This is a compound in which there are two chains possible. One is we can select this chain. Another is we can select this chain. Why we have selected this chain? Because this chain contains maximum number of substituent. So this is first carbon, this is second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. So longest chain contains 10 carbon atoms. This is will be taken as side chain. The name of this side chain is 2-ethyl butyl, and this side chain is attached to fifth carbon atom, so we have written 5 outside the bracket. 2-ethyl butyl will be written in bracket because position is 5, which we write outside. After taking this into account, then we write 3,3-dimethyl. Why? Because our third carbon we have got 2 methyl groups, and total carbon atoms are 10, we call it decene. So its correct name is 5,2-ethyl butyl 3,3-dimethyl decene, and not 5,2,2-dimethyl butyl 3-ethyl decene. That is, this will be the longest chain which contains maximum number of alkyl groups, and not this one will be the longest chain. Next we are taking this example. This group is called secondary butyl. This group is called isopropyl. Now secondary butyl group is attached to fifth carbon. So we write 5 secondary butyl, and to the fourth carbon isopropyl group is attached. Total number of carbon atoms counted in longest chain are 10, so we call it decene. The name is 5 secondary butyl 4 isopropyl decene. Next example we are taking, this is the longest chain containing 9 carbon atoms. This is the side chain, and in the side chain with the second carbon there are 2 methyl groups attached. So the name of side chain will be 2,2-dimethyl propyl. 2,2-dimethyl, and these are 3 carbon atoms, so propyl. They are attached to fifth carbon, we have written 5 outside. No name because total number of carbon atom counted in longest chain are 9.